Hey, it's your girl Sue. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be on a review on the robot vacuum that I have here with me. So this is how the box looks like. The brand is either Eufy or Eufy. It's spelled E-U-F-Y, so excuse my butchering of the name. So let me just give you guys a little bit of spec about the product before I actually jump into the demo and all that good stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna call it Eufy because I feel like that's a little bit easier to pronounce. But anyways, this is the Eufy Boost IQ Robovac 11S 1300 PA strong suction, super quiet, self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner, cleans hard floors to medium pile carpets. And the one that I got is in the white finish. I love it because it's super clean and sleek and slim. This comes in two colors, white and black, and it retails for $229.99 off of Amazon. So I'm gonna go through the list super fast because this list is actually pretty long. This claims to be the best robot vacuum of 2018 by Digital Trends. It's engineered to be the slimmest Robovac, 2.85 inches, but with quiet operations and increased suction at 1300 PA for up to 100 minutes of constant power suction. It increases suction power within 1.5 seconds and extra vacuuming strength is needed. Anti-scratch tempered glass top for protection. Automatically recharges so it's ready to clean. And it's got drop sensing tech to avoid faults. So it's nice if you actually have stairs. So what you get in this box, the whole shebang when you order this thing is you get the Robovac, remote control, two AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tools, extra sense of high performance filters, 4 size brushes, 5 cable ties, a welcome guide, and a worry 12-month warranty. By the way, this weighs 5.73 pounds. This has over 2,000 reviews off of Amazon and it's at 4.5 star, which is actually pretty good for that much of a review. So I don't know if you guys care, but this is a close-up of how the box looks like. Comes with the manual. This is the warranty that you can fill out and do all that good stuff. It's got like these wiring organizers that you can use if you want, but I don't really care for that. And then these are little filters, I believe. There's already one in there, but I came with like another one. And then these are the little feet. I like to call them feet, but you pretty much just stick it on the bottom of the robot. And then there's another one. And then it comes with a little comb that you can actually use to clean your robot with. This is the remote that it comes with. It's all black, pretty small. Start and stop is right here. Auto is right here. All these other buttons are down here. So make sure that you read the manual so you know what each button is for. So I've been mainly just using the start and stop, the auto one, and I pretty much just used the home button when I wanted to go back home and charge. This is how the product looks like. This is the power button. If you flip it over, these are the little feet that I was telling you guys about. You clip it in. It's super easy to use. It's got these huge little rollers, wheels, I guess they're wheels. And then this is where all the dirty stuff goes in. It's super easy to clean out. Let me show you guys. All you do is you clip these two out like this, and it comes out like that. You just pull it out. So it's quite dirty right now because I've been using this for a while now. I cleaned it a little bit earlier. I cut all the hair off already. You just stick it back in here. And that's pretty much it, just like that. I'm gonna put this back in. Super easy. All you do is clip it back and it snaps shut like that. Flip this guy back out. This part right here is the part that all the dust collects inside. This part, you push it down and it comes out just like this. And this has a little directions here that tells you how to use it also. The dust is not gonna come out at all. And it's super lightweight. All you do is press that piece and this top part comes out. Yeah, it's pretty dirty because we've had it for a while now, but this is how the inside looks like. I'm trying to be super careful not get any dust on me, but all the dust will pretty much stay in here, but I believe either me or my man cleaned it out. So every time you use this guy, you want to make sure you clean him out frequently. And it's super easy to put it back in. All you do is just push him in, push this part down, and he goes back in and let go. And also, I have it off right now, but down here is the on and off button. You want to press off when you actually are planning on cleaning this guy out because you might accidentally hit the power button up here. So since I had him off, I'm just going to turn him back on. So when this vacuum is on, this color will be blue, and when it's charging, it will be orange. So this is the little vacuum's home. I like to call it the home, but this is his charging station. Super small. It's got these super long cord back here, and it's nice because it's got this little storage room back here, so you can put all the cords in there. And you are supposed to leave this against the wall. These two little wheelers here are where it's gonna come charge. And then, yeah, it's got a cord to charge the batteries, to recharge the batteries in. And also when you read the manual, it's going to tell you to leave a clearance, I think 3 feet on each side for this little guy, so that it can come and charge itself on here without anything being in the way. So I'm going to turn them on, and I'm just going to go ahead and press auto on here. When you press auto, he's going to go around. I'm following him, but he's pretty just going to go and vacuum. And he'll hit stuff and know that, hey, I'm not supposed to like hit it, or, you know, so he'll go and do his thing. Just following the guy. See where he goes. Hey, where you going? And this is the sound that it makes. So it's not too loud and it's not too quiet. It's mediocre. Goes back on the tile. And again, I have this little guy on auto right now, but if you want to control him where he goes, you can do that with the remote. Say, hey, can you go right? Then just go ahead and press right. So right now I am, okay, so I wanted to go that way, just kind of stop. Okay, hey, turn around, come back. Making him come back again. And making him go forward again. Wait, oh. You want to come back again. Want to make a right. A little right. Have him come to you. Right again. I'm still using it. Controlling him wherever he goes. I'm going to get a little bit of this salt. That much. And I'm going to throw it on here and have him clean it. Okay. Come this way. No. Okay, let's stop. See if he got it. Okay, so he got it all, but I think he kind of brushed some right there. Let me just turn him on and have him go back. Okay, so nothing left. So I have some peanuts here with me, and I'm gonna make him come and vacuum the peanut, okay? So I'm gonna put the peanuts right here. Ooh. No, 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 that way. Okay. And the peanuts are gone. He got the peanuts, they're inside. But anyways, for those of you who do have carpet, sometimes this guy will get stuck at the end. Not get stuck. I take that back. He doesn't get stuck. He has a hard time coming over this part. So we have a little bit of tape underneath. You can hear the tape. But yeah, he'll come and he'll flip this. And I hate when the ends or the corners of my carpet, it creases or it goes up, it curls. Oh, that's a pet peeve of mine. If you do have carpet, it's gonna do that. It's gonna try to come over and have a little bit of trouble coming over to the carpets area. Right now, his home is over there, and I'm gonna try to make him go home. So I'm just gonna press home. He is gonna try to go find his home. I think there's like a little range that he has to come in contact with, so he knows where his house is at. If he's not close enough in range with it, he'll just go around, look around, and then find his way to his place. I think he's looking around. When he's home, he'll be charging, and that would be orange and flashing. So what did you guys think about this product? Do you guys actually like the demo that I showed you guys? Hopefully it was enough so you guys can see if you guys are interested in this product, you guys have planned on buying it but you are not sure. For those of you who do have it, hopefully you guys like it as much as I do. I absolutely love this thing. Ever since I got it, I haven't been vacuuming in the living room at all. I think that the only time that I vacuum was in the bedrooms, and then I've sweep in our little laundry room because it's super tiny in there. You guys wanna know what's funny? When I was super young, probably around 15 years ago, I used to think that whoever got these kind of robot vacuums were super rich. I went to a friend of mine years ago, like 15 years ago, and we went to their place just to go visit. I think he had to do something. It was a bunch of us and his friends weren't home, but I remember going to his place and oh my god, he lived in the super nice side of town, super wealthy, rich side. His parents own a few shops, I believe, in town. And they had one of these little robot vacuum things. And I was like, dang, you guys are so rich. You guys got an automatic robot vacuum, you know? But anyways, I haven't, and I'm not rich or wealthy, so I just wanted to throw that out there. I thought that was super funny. I think that wraps it up for this video. If you guys find it somewhat helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys all so much for watching all of my videos. It means so much to me. And aside from that, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!